Curious about merchant onboarding and how it works in payment solutions? Let's dive in. Merchant onboarding is the process of bringing a new business on board to accept payments through a payment gateway provider. It involves collecting and verifying important information, such as the business's legal details, bank account information, and documentation to assure compliance and security. Let's see how it works. Firstly, the merchant submits their application to the payment solution provider, sharing required details about their business and payment processing needs. Now it's time for verification. The provider then verifies the information provided, conducting background checks for security purposes. After verification, the merchant may need to provide supporting documents such as business licenses, financial statements, and identification records. After approval of application, the payment solution provider integrates their services into the merchant's website or app, enabling seamless payment acceptance. Now it's time for testing. The payment solution undergoes thorough testing to ensure smooth functionality. And now you're good to go. You are all set to accept payments from customers using the secure and efficient payment solution. Ready to level up your payment experience? Join us for a hassle-free merchant onboarding process and unlock new possibilities for your business.